Indonesia is a country with various tribes, cultures, and thousand kinds of panoramic beauty within. Natural beauty of Indonesia also can be proved by many places which become travel destination. One of them is Purwakarta. Purwakarta has a number of unique, beautiful, and lovely travel objects, such as Air Mancur Sri Baduga, Situ Bileut, Waduk Jatiluhur, and many more natural or artificial beauty in Purwakarta. Qualified human resources and adequate environment makes many companies were established their companies in Indonesia. By the reason, PT Sky Foam being the one of companies which established the company here. PT Sky Foam was established in July 1997. In April 1998, PT Sky Foam was started their first commercial production. PT Sky Foam has continually developed and gone through some transformations by years. Then in May 2009, the name PT Sky Foam was officially used. In 2014, PT Sky Foam modernized the production system, process system, and inventory management obtained a perfect result, so PT Sky Foam became one of the biggest foam producers in Indonesia. PT Sky Foam has established in 58.456 meters land and 25.500 meters building. Address at Jalan Raya Cikopo, Desa Cikopo, Kecamatan Bungursari, Purwakarta 41181, Indonesia. PT Sky Foam has 140 laborers in total based on data of January 2017. Currently, production volume data reached 35,000 cubic meters per month. Polyurethane foam is base product made by PT Sky Foam. The product used to manufacture automotive industry, bra, shoes, furniture, and etc. Furthermore, PT Sky Foam also supplies polyurethane foam in many packaging. They are roll foam, sheet foam, block foam. On the process of production, PT Sky Foam using manufacturing by the latest era system as controlling computerized system of foam production and inventory barcode, system to controlling the inventory. Below are the stage of production process in PT Sky Foam. Foaming machine supplies many kinds of foam to fulfill customer needs. Loop sliter. The machine uses Albert Baumer GmbH & Co. KG. This machine is very accurate for cutting foam roll. Cutting machine. The cutting process is divided into some processes. They are vertical cutting machine, circular foam cutting machine, CNC quilting machine. This process is using computerized system by locking stitches and multi-needles. Transferring conveyor system. Finished good transferring system between buildings using conveyor system as a key for efficient process and part of quality control and inventory control useful for fast procurement guarantee of customers' demand with high volume and sustainable. Flame laminating machine. PT Sky Foam also supplies flame laminated foam for automotive seat parts and etc. Tech Center and R&D. Foam product development, foam analysis research, and information foam inspection status are being focused and main target of PT Sky Foam for customer satisfaction. System Inventory Barcode Technology. Barcode technology has expected a solution for asset inventory management. This is the main thing for asset protection and controlling the inventory as goods procurement guarantee that compatible with customer demand as main service of PT Sky Foam. In distributing product, PT Sky Foam has broad and prevalent range, whether on the Java and the outside until some big cities in Indonesia. Furthermore, disciplined work system and obeys standard safety in Indonesia, with more complete infrastructure and facilities, makes PT Sky Foam able to produce quality products. The products that produced by PT Sky Foam has always been perceived by your daily routine. Start from waking up, driving, exercising, relaxing with family and relatives, outside activity and other activities that obviously giving safety and comfort for you. Not only from its product, PT Sky Foam also very friendly in its production process. It is because the material used for production has totally eco-friendly material. It has done as a concrete proof concern of PT Sky Foam towards social problem which happen around and as a proof concern toward window being. Together with PT Sky Foam, meet your needs.